Peach galette, also known as a free-form pie. Here's what you'll need to prepare this recipe. The first step is to line a rimmed baking sheet with parchment paper and heat the oven to 400 degrees. In a large mixing bowl, combine the partially thawed peaches. You want to thaw them just enough that they are in individual slices, but you still want them icy. Combine the peaches with the cinnamon, the salt, the lemon zest, lemon juice, up to half a cup of granulated sugar. How much sugar you use will depend on how sweet your peaches are. And then 2 to 4 tablespoons of cornstarch. Thoroughly stir everything to make sure that the peach slices are coated with sugar and cornstarch. And then roll your crust out onto the prepared baking sheet. You could also use homemade crust here, but I think store-bought works just as well. Using a slotted spoon, transfer the peaches to the center of the pie crust, making sure that you leave about 1.5 inches of bare crust all the way around the peaches. And then fold that bare crust up over the peach filling, pleating it as you go. If a little juicy filling runs out, don't worry, that's why you have the parchment lined baking sheet. Brush the exposed crust with an egg that's been beaten with about a tablespoon of cream. And then sprinkle with a bit of granulated sugar. Bake the galette for 35 minutes or until the crust is deep golden brown and the filling is bubbly. Let the galette cool on the baking sheet for about 15 to 20 minutes before transferring to a serving plate. When you transfer it, just break off any of those burnt bits of filling. I think this pie is especially good served warm with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe and others, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.